So the next thing that you need to think about is permanent staff placements, for example. And I want to talk about this because this is really important. It is a good aspect of getting working. Permanent placement is not temporary placement, for example. So I want you to listen very carefully here so you don't get distracted about what I'm about to say to you. You want to ensure that you've got your temporary workers, for example. Then why not look at permanent placement? You can find contracts that is relevant to permanent placement by you providing staff to an organization, whether it's the council or the government or the NHS or the hospitals or the care homes, for example. Why not provide permanent placement where you're placing staff permanently? You could make, say, 1.3 million a year if you're doing this consistently, for example. Then wouldn't you want to look at doing that?